Our application is called the Urban Gardinator, and it'll help you plan, create, and share your urban garden. We have a little scenario, so we're going to set you up as a persona,
Okay.
just because that's what we like to do. We like to role play. So you love fresh, juicy fruits and vegetables. You love them, but you don't enjoy the pesticides and the wax on the supermarket produce, and the carbon footprint that's needed to ship them to the store. And you're also annoyed at your friends for constant praising of the farmers markets and the organic food stores, which you feel exploit healthy eating by charging too much money for the produce. So you decide to do it yourself and plant a garden in your sunny but very tiny 6 by 8 foot yard in Baltimore. So if you could please use this application. We have a few tasks to go through, and just speak out loud as you go through them. That'll be very helpful. Let us know if you're confused or anything. Try to work through it and have a good time. And so the first task is you want to get started gardening, and you really want to grow your produce and you want to eat it, and you're very anxious and excited. But first, unfortunately, you must plan the garden, which is a boring step, but it needs to be done first. So please use the Gardinator to plan your perfect garden in your humble 6 by 8 garden in your sunny patch. But you're actually missing the screen.
That's right.
No, it's not. It's not the first screen.
Yep.
It's right here. So, there you go.
I'm sorry.
There we go. So the application loaded, and then this will be your...
So if I tap on create,
Yes.
and then is this the garden name?
Yes. So you can fill it in,
Okay.
please.
Okay. Tomorrow's garden.
Awesome.
Oh, and then location. What's that? Oh, how cute. Porch.
Okay. Currently, you have a yard.
Oh, a yard.
Sorry.
Sorry.
It gets confusing sometimes.
Okay. And then, how do I know if it gets full, partial, or shade?
Sunny. It's part of it.
Oh, yes. So,
You would know your real life scenario.
Yeah. Well, hopefully.
and then you told me.
Yes. It's 8 by 6. It's okay. It's hard being another person.
And then next.
Sorry.
What is, can I do custom? Like, wouldn't it be 8 by 6?
Yes, you may.
Or is this the size of my whole yard?
Yes, it is.
So I want to just do a part of it.
Yes, you would.
And I'll do this one. Can I just put that? And then get material list.
Okay. Currently, the material list would just generate a list of 2 by 4 and soil mixture that help you
okay.
get started, and so it'll tell you where to get it and stuff like that. So.
Okay. Then go plant.
Okay. And so you've built your garden. It's in your spot, and now it's yours to plant.
Are there certain things that you have built out or not built out, or should I just choose one and see what happens?
Feel free.
The first 3 items.
Salad mixer. So what am I? So I'm gonna plant tomatoes. Seedling. And then I can just go through it. So like if I just did the rest, or should I tap on each one and go through it? Can I just say seedlings for all of them?
Yes. So at this point in the application, there's a little bit of a load time. So
Okay.
I don't know any good off-color jokes, but
A lot of flow time.
he's getting better.
Not really.
Just put anything down. Nothing matters.
Yeah. The sweet pepper and tomato.
Yeah.
your garden's been planted and it's been a few days.
Okay. What are these? What does that mean?
What do you think it means?
Well, I don't know if it means it rained or
Yeah.
if there are lettuce things there for me to take away.
Okay. Best guess.
It rained.
Okay.
So, well, actually, I'm gonna say it's little lettuces and little carrots, so I'm gonna harvest.
Okay. So you want to harvest?
So,
Currently, it's too early to harvest.
oh
but
yeah, 'cause
unfortunately,
it's been a few days.
it's only been a few days. Well, sorry, you're confusing me.
So then,
She clicked on harvest.
I
What
know,
is this?
But she can't really harvest.
can you tell me
Sounds
what
like
this
you're gonna-
means, though?
It means
Click on it.
Click on it. It's water. It means the plants need to be watered.
Oh, okay, gotcha. So I'm gonna water.
Yes.
Of course, you actually have to take the watering can out and water the plants too.
Right.
It's not enough just to push on the button.
Although I'm looking into it to see if you could like set up the sprinklers
I see,
for remote
okay.
control.
That would be
Yeah, because that'd be awesome.
cool. Like
Right.
the DVR you can do from not in your
Yeah,
house.
yeah. All right, so now you've watered. It's been a few more weeks, and everything's going fine.
Okay. Why are there checks in some places and not others?
Why do you think?
Some are ready to harvest. Oh,
Okay.
because the check mark. Oh, I get it. These things are supposed to represent smaller versions of this.
Well, there's supposed to
the
be
check
water drops,
marks.
but yeah,
Oh, well.
yeah. It's
But, so they're ready to harvest. So I want to harvest tomatoes.
okay.
So I'm going to tap harvest.
Mhm.
Click on square to harvest.
Okay. So you just told the system you've harvested your tomatoes.
And then I'm gonna
Okay. And so, we go through the process and all the plants have been harvested and you have a bountiful feast, and now you want to share your garden with others. So, what would you do?
what happens if I tap on list?
List? Sorry, computer. Which these would indicate the plants that you had selected.
Oh, okay. Then if I tap menu
Okay.
or close
Okay.
and then menu.
And we realize we should have a menu that pops up, but we don't currently.
Okay. Then
Our
back.
menu would be the main navigation list.
Okay, back would go back one page.
Or I guess I'm unclear on how to get to anywhere.
Other than that page.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it here?
These are the backs. So you just do push back until you got to the main menu.
Yeah.
Is that what you want to do?
Yeah.
It's right here. So okay, so let's say you push the back button. You get back to that would be the main page.
So if I tap share.
Were you looking for the manage? Is that the one you're looking for?
Yeah, I think it's right there. Yeah, that's what it's-
That's fine. All right. Okay.
So I'm going to do that.
Okay. So
Sorry,
you
I
want to do
just see what you
status?
clicked on.
Just clicked on status.
Status. Tapped on status.
What's this one?
And then Twitter. Is it assumed that when I set up my profile that I like put in
Yes.
all my Twitter information?
Yes, sorry. Yeah. So it's already linked into
So-
your phone.
Do I?
Yeah, you can write in there.
Can I like can? Sometimes there's automatically pre-written words,
Oh.
or I don't know, or like look at my cool garden.
Yeah,
This is a text area.
yeah, it's whatever you want to write.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
do you want to write in it?
You.
Oh.
Sorry.
Well, sorry.
That's all
You
right.
would have typed something.
Computers are fast.
Yeah, now he's fast.
Is there can I link to I don't know, like what am I sharing?
You're just tweeting. You're
Well,
but I mean, would you like to share?
but is it just a general like usually if I was going to tweet from an app, there's
Mm.
information from the app.
Okay.
Like
Yeah,
like if I just wanted to tweet about something, I would just go to Twitter.
Right. Okay.
We'll have to
That's
think
good.
to maybe
I
tie
don't
it.
Yeah.
know. Is
Yeah.
that helpful?
No, that's very helpful. Thank
Okay.
you. Yeah.
This is actually the general sharing area, how we're thinking with this. If you were within the app, there's certain areas where you could have shared more specific